Okay, so welcome. This is the trade recap. Essentially, we had a fractal here, and so we're looking for shorts. So earlier in the morning, trade came all the way this way, but so let me show us what happened on the 15 minutes. So on the 15 minutes, the trade came up this way. We're looking for shorts, but then I thought, okay, let's get this longs. So once I saw this, I was waiting for it to come down here. So I entered some trades from here, looking for it to go up, and then I was out for some meetings. So all through the New York session, I wasn't able to take any trades, so I was stopped out on that trade there. So that ended in loss. Euro Aussie, I did not take any trade on this, even though we're looking for shorts. But what should have happened? So let's just look at, so since we're doing the trade recap, what could one have done? So it's either we say, okay, because we're trading from the 4-hour charts, and then this is our, this is when we get to the charts. Okay, we're looking for shorts, and then we can say this is our either this level or this other level. Okay, so once we say, okay, as long as price does not go above these levels, we'll be looking for shorts. So we'll just allow it to go, and then we'll go on the shorts. Okay, and that will be very nice, a very nice trade. Similar thing happened here too. We'll be looking for shorts on this from our 8 a.m. So even the price went this way, we'll be looking for shorts from here. So once we get this market structure shift here, we can then enter, or we'll wait for it to break. So the last range was here, so wait for this, and then we enter on this pullback to go short. Okay, though I didn't take any trade on Euro Aussie. Okay, let's look at Euro Yen. So Euro Yen, earlier this morning, we were looking at this fractal here. We saw this fractal, and we were expecting price to go up. So it did go up, but it first went down. It cleared my stop loss, and then so what happened? Let's look at it on the 15 minutes and see what happened there. So we're looking for buys here, and then we got stopped out. So I entered for a short, and I was expecting it to even go even further, given that I had this big bearish candle. But then it changed. It changed direction there. So that range there, this last pullback, this last lower low here, what caused it would have been this from this level here. So as soon as we got this close here, we should have entered. But I did not. I was looking at other trades and my other accounts, so I didn't pay attention to this. I only had sells, and I had my stop loss somewhere there. So eventually, when price came in here, I was meandering here. I just closed the trade for some loss. So it was losses today. Unfortunately, I had some wins, but it wasn't big enough. The same thing similarly, we're looking for sells. I entered a sell, and then also had some other trades there for sells. But during the New York session, so this was London session, New York session, I wasn't available, so I couldn't have traded any of those levels there. Okay, it will have given us some nice, at least maybe break even. So the gold, we had said that this was our range from the 15 minutes. So we before we didn't have the fractal, we had this one here at that time when we came in. So when we came in the morning, I think it was there. Was it there? No, I think it was closer to this man here. It was this man here. Yeah, it was on this man here. So at the start of that candle, so saw price go up. So I entered the buy, but when the buy went up, and came back down. As it was coming back down, I just closed it at break even. I didn't want to waste time, given that I was in euro yen as well and pound yen. So I didn't want to just waste too much time on that. And then what happened during the New York session, price decided to really go. Okay, so I missed out on this trade. And then when I closed it, I then placed a sell, thinking that this would be a good sell, given that it had closed below here. So I was looking for sells around here. Okay, with my stop loss, I think stop loss was around there or something. But anyway, so I was stopped out because I wasn't there to manage the trade. So overall today we're down again, but we'll look to take any trades that come up from the 4 hours. So this is looking like, oh no, this won't set up again. Let me see what will set up for us. What is setting up nicely? So this is setting up nicely for a buy. Euro yen is setting up nicely for a buy. We don't have anything yet. We might be able to get some scalp here when it pulls back, and then before it start coming down during the Asia, if I'm awake, I could take some trades. So same thing here too, is down at the low, so it may just pull back and then fall again. So I might just get some trades, but other than that, we're down a little bit now. So that's it for today. Thank you.